All that stress on my brain, right? Poker face, I'm in the game, right? Need a week to think, maybe.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody's having a great day. Today we got an unboxing sent over from my bro Topzworld. Shout out to my bro Topzworld, man. He's trying to get to 1K. Y'all make sure that y'all go follow him. I will leave his link in the description box below. My broski, he knew it was my Gday on Friday last week. And he said, you know, he hit me up Saturday and he was like, bro, you know, said, hey, he was calling me. Now, y'all know, Retro was lit on Friday night, bro. We had a good time, bro. Turn up again. I appreciate everybody that came out, showed that love and support last Friday on my Gday. We was lit, y'all. Y'all already know. Y'all know. So if y'all was watching it, y'all know I was lit. Drank a whole bottle of Douce to the face, man, with y'all. And then I slept till damn near like 2 in the morning, 2 in the afternoon. Damn, see, y'all already know your boy drank a whole thing of Douce, man. I killed the bottle, bro. Killed the bottle of Douce. I didn't wake up till like 2 o'clock in the afternoon because I was up till like 3, 4 in the morning, it felt like. But Tops hit me up, man. He was like, bro, you know, it was a sneaker that I really wanted and I didn't hit on it. And bro blessed me. So y'all already know, man, if y'all new to the channel, before we get into the unboxing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join your boy the Retro Wiz Kid and the Sneaker Dungeon family. All the love and support is greatly appreciated and it does not go unnoticed. Let's try to get this video up to 100 likes. Splack that like button for your boy the Retro Wiz Kid. And y'all already know, whatever it is that you do, just make sure you do what you do at your best, because at the end of the day, that's all that matters, is that you gave your best. And drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys picked up these sneaks. Let's get straight to it. Get it! Okay, extra, read all about it. Y'all see me go pick this thing up, man. So, hey, man, it's been a great day. The vintage, he's actually editing right now downstairs and everything. And he did, man. Y'all go over there and check out my bro the Vintage World. I will leave his link in the description box as well, because hey, he got some heat. But I know most of y'all know, y'all already know, y'all know the Vintage, y'all know Tops, y'all know him. And if y'all don't know him, make sure that y'all click the link in the description box and go sub. The Vintage trying to hit 17K, and also Tops is trying to hit 1K. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing up out the box. Making it feel like your boy just came back from Foot Locker and everything. Tops went on ahead, put the shoes in the Foot Locker bag. Now I know what shoe it is, man, and I'm excited to see this thing, bro. No cap, I'm excited. I'm stupid excited. And I mean, I saw a pair finally for the first time, and by the box, y'all already know what it is, man. Shout out to my bro Tops, man, sending over these dope retro Ferrari things, man. The reverse for Ferraris for your boy, man. Y'all already see it, man. We got the Air Jordan 14 Retro SE University Gold Black. Suggested retail sticker is $200. Now let's go ahead, man. Hey. Oh my gosh, yes Lord, yes Lord. Hey y'all, do y'all smell that, man? I smell it, y'all. And y'all already know these things right here have officially been smell test approved by your boy the Retro Wiz Kid. Let's get these things up out the box. And we in there. Yes Lord, yes Lord. And y'all already know, man, these things right here, baby. Yes Lord, these things are fuego. And I'm talking about fire flame. So starting off with the bottom of the shoe, you guys can see it right here. It is a black bottom, and you have that silver. You can see that yellow Jumpman right. And always on the bottom of the shoe, we always see that Roman numeral 14. Looking at the midsole, you have that black, that carbon fiber, that silver right there. A lot of people were disappointed, like I said before, in the carbon fiber, but you get what you pay for, y'all. I think the shoe is actually stupid fuego, man. This yellowish mustard type color is just stupid dope on this pair. Y'all can see how the leather quality is looking, because I don't know if it's really like a leather
it's like a cross in between leather and nubuck, y'all see it right there, but it does have that nice tumble to it. Right here, you know, we have that 14 logo right here that we always see. I think it blends really well with this colorway, to be exact. On the back of the shoe, we do have the red right there, the translucent red. That's all, you know, we always have different colors on depending on what Jordan colorway it is on the 14s. You can see that 23 with the Jumpman silver right there on the back, and of course, like I say, seamless 14. Very fuego. You have a leather type tongue. You have that Jordan right there, have that Roman numeral 14 in the back. Inside the shoe, we got these things right here in a size 11, and nothing special, regular shoe tree. Man, all in all, man, I must say that I love the shoe, man. I'm glad that my bro Tops was able to cop this for me for my Gday.
You do have the silver aglets, as everybody get mad when I just call them tips, but it's aglets, what we normally see on 14s. And I mean, all in all, man, this shoe is just fuego to me, man. I'm glad that I was able to get this pair. They did not sell out online, but in stores, I did not see any pairs at the malls that I went to. So you guys let me know if these sold out in your mall. Honestly, I can see the shoe going for at least $300 on resale value over time. As of right now, it's not, but I wouldn't be surprised if this shoe goes up in value. I really wouldn't, man. Very dope. And I mean, people gonna be like, man, I don't know, I like this color better than the red Ferrari 14s. I like the reverse better, man. I like the yellow, man. Gives it a different pop. We see a lot of red shoes. We see a lot of black and red. We finally, you know, when I see this, man, hey, it's dope, man. Hey, and I'm humbled, and I really appreciate my bro Tops sending these things over to me. Very dope of you, bro. I really appreciate it, man. I'm not gonna do it on foot, y'all, because it's dark outside. That's probably that's the main reason, y'all. I'm not giving y'all on foot because it's dark. I'm not gonna say because I don't want to give one, because y'all, I really want to give y'all on foot in these, but it's dark outside and I'm packing for SneakerCon. I got a lot of other stuff I need to do right now, but if it was still light outside, y'all, I would have took the time. I would have did the on foot for you guys easily. So don't think that, y'all, don't think I'm shortcutting y'all, because I actually feel like I'm kind of shortcutting y'all without giving y'all the on foot, but I ain't got no light outside, y'all, and I'm not gonna go use the camera light to try to give y'all the on foot in the dark. I would love to give y'all natural lighting and all that stuff. Y'all know how your boy Retro get down, man. But let me know if you guys pick these up. Comment down below. Did the carbon fiber really disappoint you guys, that it's not actual hard carbon fiber? How do you guys feel about the colorway? How do you feel about this being the follow-up to being the reverse Ferrari? I really do think that this is a dope shoe. Probably one of my favorite 14s now in my collection. I love the Laneys, the last shots, the candy canes, and I mean, I love these. If you're gonna be at SneakerCon Dallas on Saturday, man, I will be there Saturday and Sunday. I'll be chilling with my guys. You already know how we rock, man. Feel free, come up, chop it up with me, all that good stuff, man. I love interacting with you guys in the comment section. I love interacting with people in person. So it is your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. Make sure you guys go ahead, get y'all a Soul Premise bag if you guys want to cop one right here. Link is in the description box. Save 30% off on your next bag, man, using the Retro Wiz Kid at checkout. And don't forget about Balls Clothing, Born a Wild Soul. Save 25% off on your next purchase using Wiz Kid at checkout. Hey, we getting y'all some discounts, some steals and deals, you know what I'm saying, under retail. Y'all already know, man. And y'all know that 30 days of AJ1s has been going hard. It is about to come to an end, and hey, we still gonna rock kicks. We still gonna give y'all some dope kicks. I might still be rocking ones past 30 days. We'll see. I might make that joint go longer. I don't even know, man, but I might just make it go just a tad bit longer. Y'all just gotta follow your boy on all his social media platforms. On Instagram at the Retro Wiz Kid, posting them pictures for y'all, and that's where I'm doing it at. Just make sure y'all follow me over there so you guys can check out the AJ1s for 30 days. And don't forget to follow your boy over there on Twitter at Wiz_Retro, and I do follow back. And splash that like button over there on Facebook for your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. And with that being said, I love y'all. I appreciate all the love and support. Shout out to my bro Top. Shout out to my bro The Vintage. I will see y'all tomorrow in the next video. I probably might do a live tomorrow while I'm on the road, depending on what time I get there, or I'm gonna drop a video. One way or the other, I plan to do something tomorrow for you guys on the channel. So I love y'all, and hey, I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Get it!